Alright, so in today's video we have a water distiller from DC House off of Amazon, and we're going to unbox it and test it out. Here it is out of the box in the styrofoam. It comes mostly pre-assembled, and here's the manual that it comes with. It also comes with some powder for cleaning the water distiller. So I'm going to take it out of the plastic wrap. Here it is out of the plastic wrap. It comes with a 1 gallon jug to catch the distilled water in. And yeah, so I'm going to plug this in now. So here I have the unit plugged into a power outlet. And now I'm gonna fill it up with water to the fill line. There we go. Now I'm gonna put on the top piece. Just like that. And I'm gonna plug this right here. As soon as I did that, the fan started up. So this thing is kind of loud, but not too bad. So I'm thinking that means that the distilling cycle started. This will press on. The red light is on. And I'll just place that under there. And I'll come back in about an hour and see how much water we have. Oh, it's been a little bit more than half an hour now, and water has started dripping. This is how much water we have after around 1 hour. It's dripping pretty fast, you can see. So I will see how long it takes to distill the entire gallon of water, and then I will tell you how long that takes. So the water is done distilling, and we have the full 1 gallon of water in this jug, and it took about 4 hours and 15 minutes to do the entire thing. Yeah, in the manual it said it would distill water at about 1 liter per hour, so that's pretty accurate. And what I'm gonna do now is I'm going to compare the total dissolved solids of this distilled water to store-bought distilled water. So here we go. I'm gonna pour the store-bought one into a cup. And this one into a cup. I'm gonna get my TDS meter. Store-bought one first. 1 parts per million of dissolved solids, okay. Gonna shake that off and test the homemade distilled water, and it's at 5 parts per million. So that's not perfect, but it's still low enough that you can still use this for CPAP machines and really anything that you need distilled water for. I'm wondering if it will, if after I run a second batch of this, it'll go down to like 1 or 0 parts per million, because maybe it's still like flushing out any dirt or debris that was in this thing or in this thing while it was shipping or in the factory. Because in the manual it said that to not use any of the water until after you've already done 1 gallon of water. But yeah, overall, I give this a thumbs up. It's worth the money. I'll put the link to this product, the Amazon link, in the description of this video. And yeah, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. We hit 300 subscribers a couple days ago, and we're almost there to 400 subscribers. And I'm gonna start uploading videos more often too, so stay tuned for all of that. Turn on post notifications for my channel, and see you next time. Just before I end the video, I want to show how much sediment this removed from 1 gallon of tap water. Look at that. That's disgusting.